Hi boys and girls, here we are on Module 2, Lesson 1. There are only 5 lessons in this module, and they all have to do with metric measurements. So Lesson 1 is expressing metric length measurements in terms of a smaller unit. And we're going to do some word problems with addition and subtraction. But to begin with, and you have your anchor charts that have these conversions, you're going to fill in these first equivalent measures. And we know that 1 kilometer is 1,000 meters, so 5 kilometers would be 5,000 meters. 13 kilometers would be 13,000 meters. 17,000 meters would be 17 kilometers because 17 kilometers is 17,000 meters. 60 kilometers is 60,000 meters. Okay? So that's kilometers and meters. But then we have meters and centimeters, and we know that there are 100 cents in a dollar, and there are 100 years in a century. So in a meter, there are 100 centimeters. So if 1 meter is 100 centimeters, 7 meters is 700 centimeters. 19 meters is 1,900 centimeters, or 1,900. 24 meters is 2,400 or 2,400 centimeters. 90 meters is 9,000 or 9,000 centimeters. And now there's a little mixture of kilometers and meters. If we know that 7 kilometers is 7,000 meters, that's 7,000 plus 123 is 7,123 meters. 22,000, 22, 22,000, 22. 875,000, 4. 875,000, 4. Now we're in the hundreds again. 745, 745. 6,700 or 6,700, 7. 6,707. 20400. So 20400 would be 20400. So you add 2 zeros. So that's 20,000. So actually I have too many zeros here. Now that I'm looking at this, and my comma would need to move as well. Look at that. I fixed it myself. So this is 204, and then we would make that 100. So we'd add 2 zeros. So that would be 20,400, 20,489. Okay, and now we're going to do some addition and subtraction. So we have to convert first. So 2 kilometers is 2,000. So that's 2,303. 2,303 minus 556. And the problem is done here. I'm not going to go through all of that math because you should be able to subtract and decompose. So I'm not going to do through all that. So 2,303 minus 566 is 1,747. You need to show this work and you need to do that. So 1,747 meters is 1 meter or 1 kilometer. No, that's right. 1 kilometer, 747 meters. 2 meters is 200 centimeters minus 54. 200 minus 54 is 146. You need to show this work and show how you decomposed. If the answer is 146 centimeters, there are 100 meters in a 100 centimeters in a meter, and then 46 left over. Now this, you're just going to do the math and then express it in the smaller unit. You have to be careful because some are addition and some are subtraction. So we know that there are 1,000 kilometers in a meter. So 338,853. 338,853, 62,071. If we add them together, we get 400,924 meters. Because we're staying in that smaller unit, we don't have to convert back. 800 meters, 35 centimeters. 800 hundreds. So we add 2 zeros, so that's 80,035. 80,035. 154 hundreds, which is 15,449. And we're subtracting. And we get 64,586 centimeters. Okay, so you need to be able to do, the main thing for this, you should be able to add and subtract, which is why I'm not doing that for you, but you do need to know how to do the conversions. Okay, so how many meters in a kilometer? Well, 1,000. So this is 701,000. Oh, and I have a 2 there for some reason. I don't think I can change that. I can't. But I did the math correctly. I think I did the math. Maybe I didn't, now that I'm saying that. Because if this was a 1 and redecomposed, then this would be a 10. Oh, no, I did. Because 10 minus 3 is 7. Okay. And this is 523,445. And when you subtract, you get 177,555. And it's meters. And we stay in meters. We don't have to convert back. Again, there are 1,000 meters in a kilometer. So this is 231,811, 485,829 when you convert it into meters. And we're actually adding, and when we add them together, we get 717,640 meters. And again, you do have to show your work. For this, you have to use a tape diagram to model it. Use a simplifying problem, so you have to convert it into the smaller units and write it as a statement. So the length of Celia's garden is 15 meters, 24 kilometers. The length of her friend's garden is 2 meters, 98 centimeters more than Celia's. So we're adding these together to get the length of her friend's garden. I did this a little bit different way. I kept it in their regular units. 15 meters, 24 centimeters, 2 meters, 98 centimeters. So I added the meters first, and I got 15 plus 2 is 17 meters. When I add the centimeters, I get 122 centimeters. So I have to make a number bond, and I know that 100 centimeters is 1 meter, and then I have 22 left. So 17 meters plus 1 meter is 18 meters, and there are 22 centimeters left. The length of her friend's garden is 18 meters, 22 centimeters. Sylvia ran 3 kilometers, 290 meters in the morning. Then she ran some more in the evening. She ran a total of 10 kilometers. So we have to subtract. So 10 kilometers is 10,000 meters. And we're subtracting 3,290. And when you subtract, you get 6,710 meters. 6,000 would be 6 kilometers, and 710 meters is left over. So Sylvia ran 6 kilometers, 710 meters in the evening. Jenny's sprinting distance was 356 meters shorter than Tyler's, and Tyler sprinted 1 kilometer, 3 meters. So that's 1,003, and it's shorter than that, so we're taking away 356 meters. And when you subtract, you're left with 647 meters. So Jenny sprinted 647 meters. An electrician had 7 meters, 23 centimeters of electrical wire. He used 551 centimeters for one wiring project. How many does he have left? So again, we're going to subtract. How many centimeters are in a meter? 100. So that's 723 centimeters minus 551 centimeters. And when we subtract, we're left with 172 centimeters. So the electrician had 172 centimeters of wire left. I know I went through this very, very fast, but you have your conversion tables with you, and you have your problem set to refer to, and you should be able to be doing the addition and the subtraction relatively easily. It's really just converting into the smaller units, which is what our goal for today was. So I know you can do this. I know it might be a little, to convert it and then subtract or add, but some of the problems aren't that difficult. It really is about the conversion of the length units. Tomorrow we're going to get into mass, then we're going to get into capacity, and then we're going to use all three. Yikes. You can do it. So I'll see you tomorrow morning. Bye-bye.